Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto in Action. Today I'm going to be talking to you about why having FOMO when trading Bitcoin is going to make you lose a lot of money. Okay, first of all, what is FOMO? For those who don't know, FOMO stands for fear of missing out. This is a feeling that people normally have when they feel like they're going to miss out on something. So let me say, for example, when Bitcoin pumps a lot. Okay, when Bitcoin pumps a lot, like recently it pumped all the way from 16,000 to 23,000. Okay, that is a big pump. Okay, and now there are traders or investors who see this and like, oh my goodness, Bitcoin has pumped a lot, let me go ahead and start buying it now, or let me go ahead and long it. They enter after Bitcoin has pumped a lot, and the reason why they're entering this trade or buying Bitcoin at this price level is because they believe that the price is going to continue pumping and they don't want to miss out. Okay, they don't want to miss out on the gains that they may get if Bitcoin pumps higher than where it is right now. That is what fear of missing out is. They don't want to miss out on that pump. Now this type of FOMO is very dangerous. It's dangerous to have it when you're trading Bitcoin because it will make you lose money. Let me explain to you why. Okay, whenever Bitcoin pumps, okay, whenever Bitcoin pumps a lot, it is always followed by a major dump. Anytime. This is something I have noticed in the chart. I have studied the chart of Bitcoin a lot, and I've noticed anytime the Bitcoin pumps a lot, it is always followed by a major dump. This is why you don't want to FOMO in. Okay, you might feel like, oh my goodness, Bitcoin is going to continue pumping and let me just go in and buy it or long it. But I'm telling you right now, you're not going to miss out on anything. Okay, the fact that Bitcoin has already pumped a lot like this, it is going to retrace back. Okay, and the best time for you to actually long Bitcoin or to buy it is when it retraces back. Okay, when it retraces back to the resistance that it broke, that is when you want to go ahead and long it or buy it. Never buy Bitcoin when it has pumped a lot. Never long Bitcoin when it has pumped a lot. That is going to cause you to lose a lot of money, my friend. I'm telling you this. This is something that, I have learned. Okay, this is a mistake that I used to make. When I was starting out with my trading, I used to make that mistake too. I would see Bitcoin pump a lot and then I would go ahead and start buying it or start longing it. And then what ended up happening is as soon as I enter my trade, the market starts retracing and I ended up losing my money. So yeah, I'm just giving you this advice just to save you money. Okay, save you the stress of losing money, because you don't want to do that. Right now Bitcoin is currently trading at around 23,000. Okay, and if you look at the RSI, okay, the daily time frame RSI, you'll notice that Bitcoin currently is overbought. It is in the overbought zone, both on the RSI for the daily time frame and the 4-hour time frame. This is a very bad sign. This is indicating that there is going to be a dump in the Bitcoin price coming very soon. Okay, anytime Bitcoin is trading around the overbought zone on the RSI, especially on the daily time frame, it always results in a dump. So beware of that. Do not trade Bitcoin when it pumps a lot. And remember, the best time to trade Bitcoin or to buy Bitcoin or to long Bitcoin is when it goes back to the resistance. Okay, let's say, when Bitcoin breaks the resistance, right? Okay, it breaks the resistance. Now that resistance that it broke is now going to turn as support. So this means that when Bitcoin breaks it, eventually after it has pumped a lot, it's going to come back down to that new support. Okay, it's going to come back to that support to test it before it continues the move higher. You don't want to buy or long Bitcoin when it breaks that resistance. No, wait for it to come back to the support and then you go ahead, buy it, long it, whatever, and then you have less risk of losing your money. Okay.